Every year, over 1 billion animals are slaughtered for leather. The process pollutes rivers with toxic chemicals. And synthetic leather? Mostly just plastic. But what if you could wear leather guilt-free? No animal cruelty, no pollution, just high-quality, sustainable fashion. That's exactly what Banoffee is making possible. Welcome to Inside Startups by Ascendance, where we uncover the boldest innovations shaping the future. Today, we are diving into Banoffee leather and how it's revolutionizing fashion with an unexpected ingredient. The global leather industry is worth over $400 billion. But it comes at a cost. Excessive water use, toxic chemicals, and a massive carbon footprint. Even synthetic leather, often branded as cruelty-free, is just another pollutant. Meanwhile, in India, the world's largest banana producer, there's another problem. For every ton of bananas harvested, 4 tons of stems are thrown away. All that waste discarded while farmers struggle to make ends meet. Enter Banoffee leather. Driven by her love for animals and the environment, Yale graduate Rinali Modi set out to create an alternative to leather that was just as luxurious, without the cruelty or pollution. That vision led to Banoffee, a company turning banana waste into a premium plant-based leather alternative. The difference? No animals harm, no toxic waste, no plastic. Just innovation built for a better future. But what is Banoffee's secret? They repurpose banana stems into strong natural fibers, without the plastic or pollution of synthetics, making it an appealing alternative to traditional leather. But turning banana waste into high-quality leather isn't easy. The challenge? Keeping it as strong and flexible as the real thing while staying affordable. Instead of selling directly, Banoffee plays the long game. It partners with fashion brands, licenses its materials, and locks in big supply deals. That way, it scales fast without compromising on sustainability. But why should you care? Because this isn't just about a new kind of leather. It's about the future of products that are in tune with nature. If Banoffee succeeds, it could open the doors for plant-based alternatives across industries, cutting our reliance on animal products and petroleum-based synthetics that harm both the planet and our future. This is bigger than fashion. It's a shift towards materials that work with nature, not against it. Building a world that's cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable. And the future will be shaped by startups like Banoffee leather, turning waste into innovation, one fiber at a time. So for more groundbreaking stories that provide hope, subscribe to Inside Startups by Ascendance and stay ahead of the next big revolution. See you in the next episode.